Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm Abhay Chopra. Welcome to the Abhay Chopra. So today we are going to talk about how anyone can use Discord or how you can use Discord. In the next video of this series, we are going to talk about how you can create a particular Discord server of yours and how you should maintain it. So let's start with the video. Today, firstly we will go to the PC and let you teach like how Discord works and everything. Just to give you a basic, Discord is a very great community building app. You can create a really great servers, build a design community, build a gaming community, build any type of community. If you have an organization, you wanna maintain all the works, you can use that. There are a ton of bots that can help you out. There's a website called top.gg, I guess. Whatever that is, I will make you see that in the video as well in the screen and on the screen as well. So that websites are really good to add different bots and you can use them as well. In the description, all the links will be provided. You can use that as well. To download app on a iOS device, you should go to App Store, search Discord, you will find it and download it. It has a logo like this. You can see it right now in the screen. The second thing, if you want to download it on Android, just go to Play Store and download it. It will have a logo like this. So let's go to the video of PC and then let's come back. Hello everyone, welcome back. So आपके सामने मेरी screen दिख रही होगी. So this is the basically how like this website is which you are going. I think you can't see it, but this is discord.com and you just have to download the software from here. I will link it out in the description. This is available on all the platforms: Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, browser as well. You can use it on browser as well. But I don't think you can use it on a mobile browser. But yeah, this is a really great place to like have a lot of talk, have a meeting, have a community which you can make around it, have a lot of channels, category, which I'm going to just show you in my Discord app right now. And it's like very hassle free, it's like fun, it's like it has a lot of features of streaming, having video. There are a ton of bots available. I can just search it out, bots in Discord, and there will be 100 of bots which are available on this top.gg website. And these bots are so nice, like Me6, MEE6, whatever you want to call it. It has ton of like features. Groovy is like a music bot. Tank Member is a memeing bot. This is like anime, and there are a ton of different bots. This is the most upvoted bots, and there are 100 of bots which you can use. There are Pokemon bots, music bot, moderation bots. I just can't stop talking about them, but there are 100 of bots, and these are really good. You can like invite them to your channel which you're gonna make. I'm gonna show you how to make it as well. Firstly, this video is gonna be just about like how you can just like know what's like how to use, and once you get the gist of it, then you can definitely go into it. So these are like these things. And there's one thing, that Discord Nitro. Obviously Discord is free for everyone, but there's a paid version which allows you to have certain good function. But I think these are the like the whosoever purchases these are the streamers or are the good people who want to create a good community and are in Discord for a long time. This costs around $10 per month or $100 per year. It has few perks like better emojis, personal profiles, and you can, when you make a channel, you can have an animated DP and 100 of things. But yeah, we might not get into this a lot. We just will start this particular thing. So this is my Discord. This is Jatayu's Discord. I have a gaming channel as well. So my Discord, this is my gaming Discord. Okay. So basically when you get into this, you won't see this image, but you will see like kind of this. I have a ton of Discords which I'm connected with. Yeah, but basically you will see this server. Like once you want to make a good server, you can just click on it and start making, creator gaming, or there's some study group and everything, kind of templates, or you can just create your own. But I have this thing, but I'm just gonna tell you how to use it on this in this particular video. So you can see this is my Discord. Once you get in anyone's Discord, you will just be added. Some might have this like I have this Me6 Discord bot, which kind of allows me to welcome everyone whoever comes to my Discord. I have made this Discord beautifully, and there okay. So one basic thing that I want to tell you about, there are two type of channels. One is like these kind of channels, which are like text channels where you can like write text and talk to everyone. And some of the channels are like voice channel. You can see a mic over here. This mic icon indicates that this is a voice channel. So basically if I get into this voice channel, you will see that I am over here and I'm like talking. When I'm talking, the screen bar is over here. You see, Yeah, so this is basically when you get into a talking channel, you start talking, and if you are having a meeting, you can go there, you can talk to your influencers or whatever you want to do it. And just like some of the people might ask how you should do it, like how you should get into this channel. So once you download this app, or if you are on a browser, it's kind of the same thing, but on a phone it's kind of the same thing. But once you click it, there will be a join voice channel option. I will show you that as well, but for right now I'm just going to show you like this. See, when you click this, you are just joined. This is basically what you want to do when you want to join this channel. For example, and if you want to leave this channel, you can see this disconnect. This is a icon. This icon will always be stable in consistent in each and every platform. So you can see this disconnect channel. Just click it over here and you just got out of it. There are a few other features that I want to show you. If you want to share your screen, you can click in up and you can share your screen whichever you want to share it up. You can share a particular app. You can share a particular this is a particular application. Once you click on screen, you can share a particular screen. That's basically it. If you just want to be in this channel but don't want to listen to everyone, you can click on this. You won't be able to listen to everyone because headphones along with that mic is also unmuted, so you won't be able to hear it and you won't be able to speak anything. But you just want to like for example, now you just want to hear it but don't want to speak. Click it over here, click this one. This just mutes the mic and you are not, your voice is not going down, but the whoever is under that particular platform, their voice can come out. Then once I unmute this is where nicely I'm speaking. You can also share your own video. Like this is a thing that is not working, but you can share your own video like this. You can see now, like I'm sharing this on video because my video is used in this OBS, so you can see it right now, but you can share your own video. Turn it off, the video is gone. Then I will just get into like this is basically it about this. There's few things that I wanted to tell you. There are few roles which you can define, which people are defined. For example, you can see Bhagwan and admin, that's me, and I can apply a roles to different people. Like right click and I can say roles, and I have made a ton of roles. So the user, the admin who has made this channel has made a ton of roles, so they can define what role you are in. That's basically it. And for example, I will just like to tell you, if you have got into text channel, you can just say hi Abhay Chopra, and you can just write it over and send it up. For example, you want to delete it, you can delete it. For example, you want to send some reactions on it, you can send some reactions on it. There are a ton of emojis. Go into emojis, you can send some reaction. You want to edit it, you can edit it. Just go delete, message is deleted. That's basically it. It's kind of the same thing as WhatsApp, but there are some certain good features. For example, you can see there are some bots like Craig, Dank Memer, ME6. ME6 has its own function that I told you, welcoming some new users to the channel. Dank Memer is something related to memes. Craig is basically a channel which can help you record whatever you say in a voice channel, and that's kind of good. So these are the basic things that are into this particular thing. The basic thing that you want to know is that this thing that you can write things in a text channel that is represented by a hash, and you can speak things in a voice channel by being connected to it by clicking on this. And if you want to disconnect, you can just click on this and that's disconnect. So that's basically it about basic things. And in the next video, I would like to teach you about how you can really make a particular server of yours in Discord and how you can use it. That's kind of very nice to use it. I guess that's basically it. And in the next part, I'm going to show you how you can use it on a mobile. Thank you. Hello everyone, I hope you got the gist of how you can use it on a browser or a PC. Now I'm going to tell you about how you can use it on a mobile. So here's my device, and once you open this Discord, you will see that like I'm on a channel called Inactors Tech 2.0. I'm connected to this organization. It is a really great organization, and so basically what's going to happen, there are a ton of servers over here. If I want to make my own server, you see that I can click this particular button on the screen and I can just create on my own server, but I don't want to create it, so I will just close it up. You can see this is particularly my profile. I can set my status to invisible online, whatever you want to set it. I can set my profile pic, don't allow, get it up. You can set your name. This is a particular ID. This is called Discord ID. You can copy it and paste it to everyone, and anyone can get that ID. Then there are a ton of features. I don't think I should get into this particular thing. You can have a dark mode, developer mode, or whatever you want to get it. and there are a ton of features. I don't think I should get this into this one. So once you are into this particular thing, you have a direct message session as well, but I will just go into this enact this thing. You can see if you want to invite someone to the Discord, you can just go invite, and you can just invite one of your friends. You can just copy this link. You can see this is like expired in 1 day. You can just go over here, you can write never expire and then close it up. I don't know why it's not working. Never expire. Yeah, save, and now copy. Now the link which is copied is never expired, and you can send it to anyone and it will never be expired. Then once you get into this particular thing, there are a ton of channels. These hash channels, the channel which I've named like welcome guide, and there is a hash in front of them. That are the text channel. You can write, you can just go in them, you can just write whatever you want to write it, hello, and you can just send it, have an emoji or whatever you want to do it. Or let's just delete this up. There's one more thing that you can do. I will tell you like that. For example, you got into general and you wanna go into this particular, you wanna tag someone. Like I wanna tag myself and I wanna write hey Chopra. You just tag this, you just send it. Now you send it for the mistake. You just go delete this up. Yes, that message has been deleted. And see like how I tag people. You can tag people like you do it in WhatsApp groups, and you can just tag people here as well. Now these are the text channel you can see, and once you like these what I clicked and just opened it up, like I can just get them off and show you up. So you can see the channels which are like highlighted, that means there is an unread message in that. And these particular thing, management, marketing, graphics and everything, these are the basic teams, and these are the basic channels. And once you click that up, these are basic categories, and these are the channels. You can see there is a channel called MG meeting. When mic is there, that means that is a voice channel. You can have a talk there, audible talk there. So how to get into a voice channel? You can just click it up. You will see join voice. Just click join voice. You are joined into this particular thing. And now you can see as I'm speaking, it's getting like this particular thing. So for example, I got this. Now what I can do to get into that particular channel, see, this is just like a call system. You can just go over here and just like what you can do, you can turn on your video. This is like I haven't given it permission, but you can give it permissions and do that. You can turn off your mic from this mic button. You can deafen yourself. Deafen yourself means you will not be able to hear anything. Along with that, you will not be able to speak anything. For example, you turn it off. You can change your device. Like this is on speaker right now. I turn it off. This is not on speaker. For example, you want to invite someone else on your list. You can invite like that. You can copy the link to invite on this particular voice channel and just send it them. And this is particular thing, I don't think this can work, or this can, okay, this is a beta version, but I don't want to use it. This is basically one, if you have a lot of background noise, you can use this, but it's in the beta version, so it sometimes doesn't work. Then you can also go into the settings and change your like this volume of yourself, what you want to go into the output. You can echo cancellation, noise reduction, and a lot of things which you can really assemble. For example, there's one more people in this particular thing. You can click on them and adjust their voices as well. Along with that, for example, if you want to disconnect to this particular thing, and for example, if you want to just go into this, you want to disconnect to this thing, you can just click on this and you are disconnected. That's basically like how you can use this voice channel. And once you get into this, you can use it as much you want. For example, I want to have a music. So I will just go into this. Okay, I got into this channel and now I want to listen to music. So there is a bot called Rhythm in this. I will go to Rhythm. I will go over here and then I have like play something. I wrote play something and it will just start playing it up in my channel. You can see it has joined my channel and it is playing that thing in my channel, but I can't hear it because it's like this thing. Now I can hear it, but you saw that how it is doing its work. Sorry, the video got cut, but as you saw, like it's like working. And once you get into speaker, I can just say something, but I don't want to do that. So for example, I can just like see, this is a user. I can just voice up and down. I can mute it. I can do whatever I want, and this is basically what I can do. For example, there are some commands of different bots. You can use it. You can just go into the I don't think I can yes, this is paused. So I can basically do anything in this. I can, if you want to know about the rhythm bot commands, you can just go into their website online and there are commands available. So this is basically it for this video. I think that's what I just wanted to let you know, that how you can use these things and a ton of other things. You can invite, you can tag, you can do other things as well. So that's basically it that I wanted to let you know, guys. If you have any doubt, you can just comment down below or just ask me in my DM of Instagram or LinkedIn. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, and I'm looking forward to have a great community build over to this Discord thing, and hope that you get into a ton of communities. There are a ton of Discord channel as well. For example, I have my own Discord of gaming. I don't do just game over here. I discuss a lot of things. So you can just get down into this description and you can just join the channel. Along with that, I have launched a new Telegram channel for building a greater community. You can join that as well in the description. And that's basically it for this video. And if you want to follow me on social medias, here are my social medias. You can follow me on them. And thanks a lot for being here. And this is it for this video. Peace out.